Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a video sharing my OG natural hair products with you guys. There are some products that I was using back when I first went natural in 2010, and I wanted to just kind of revisit those products to see how they work for me now versus how they worked back then. And so far so good. I used them last night and this is my dry results. So I'm just going to show you a quick clip of me styling my hair in the shower from last night, and then I'm going to do my makeup and my hair, and I'll be right back. As you saw in the video, the products that I used were from Kinky Curly. So the first product that I used is the Kinky Curly Not Today Leave-In and Detangler. So, funny thing, I actually dropped both of these in the shower. So some of it spilled, so it looks like I used a lot of product, but I really didn't use that much. This one, I don't think much spilled out of it, but I used about this much for my whole head, and this has so much slip. Like, it's pretty amazing actually. This has so much slip. I did remember the consistency from before and from now, and it's pretty much the same. It smells very sweet, but it does smell like a hair product. I don't know if that makes sense, but it smells really sweet, but it does smell like a hair product. So I put this on my hair first. I sectioned my hair off and put this on my hair first. And then I followed up with the gel. My hair loves gels. That's why for the wash and go, I did use the Kinky Curly Curling Custard. Please let me know if any of you have used either of these products. I'd love to know what you started off with your natural hair journey. If you started way back when I did in 2010, then you should be familiar with these products. But if you just started recently, you have a whole lot more options than you did back then. So this is the curling custard. It's kind of like a jelly. The consistency is a little on the jelly watery side. This is it right here. And this has a very sweet scent too. It kind of has a coconut-ish kind of scent, but it does smell like a hair product as well. I love the fact that these products did not make my hair flake, nor was it heavy. However, I did have a little bit of crunch in my hair, and I would not recommend it for if you are trying to lay your edges down or things like that, because when I dropped this in the shower, I tried to save some of it and like put it on my edges and everything. And when my hair dried, it was really hard for me to pick out these areas right here. And it kind of had a little bit of residue just from the products being here and here. I guess since I put so much that it kind of built up a little bit. So a little goes a long way. Like, I honestly, out of this container, I dropped about 2 uses of products. Like, I really did not use that much. So I'm really sad that I lost so much product, but it's okay. This is kind of on the pricier end of the spectrum as far as hair products go. I got these at Bed Bath & Beyond. I was able to use a coupon, so I did save some money on them. But originally, at Bed Bath & Beyond. I think this was about $16. I've seen it at the beauty supply store for almost $20. So I would definitely suggest, if you have a Bed Bath & Beyond in your area, to get them from there and use your coupons so you could save some money. I would definitely be using these products up because they are really good. I will just say that since my hair was crunchy, I do remember that happening back then when I did use it, but now I do know how to kind of fix that. All I did today was fluff out my hair with a pick. I used my Curadew and I used oils. I didn't put any sort of water or anything on my hair. I just used oils, and that was good enough. I love the definition and shine in my hair right now, and my hair does not feel heavy. I don't feel like sticky or anything like that. I was able to scrunch out the crunch in my curls, and I think my hair looks pretty good. Like, I'm loving my results. Let me know if you liked this video. I wanted to do another one because I was supposed to start my YouTube channel in college, and I did film a video on me using a specific hair product that I was using the whole time I was in college. I filmed it, and I do want to share with you guys those products as well as revisit them and see how they work on my hair now. My hair was blonde back then, so I don't know if it's gonna work now. We'll see. Let me know if you want to see that video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.